Hey everyone, welcome back to Techno Savvy. Today we're going to dive deep into a topic that is at the heart of modern computing cloud services. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, an IT professional, or just someone curious about cloud computing, this video will help you understand how services like IaaS, PaaS and SaaS work. By the end of this video, you'll know what each service does, when to use it, and how it can benefit your business or projects. Let's jump right in. So let's begin with the basics. What are cloud services? In simple terms, cloud services are internet-based computing services that allow you to store data, run applications, and manage infrastructure without having to own and maintain physical hardware. Essentially, you're renting resources from a provider like AWS, Google Cloud, or Microsoft Azure. Now, cloud services come in different forms, mainly IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. Each has a unique role in making IT operations more efficient. Let's explore them one by one. First up, we have infrastructure as a service, commonly known as IaaS. Think of IaaS as renting the bare-bones infrastructure you need: servers, storage, and networking, but managed through the cloud. If you were running a business a few years ago, you'd have to buy servers, maintain them, and worry about hardware failures. But with IaaS, you don't own the hardware and you don't need to worry about maintenance. Everything is managed for you by the cloud provider. Here's an example. Amazon Web Services, AWS, offers EC2, which lets you run virtual machines on their infrastructure. You choose the specs like CPU, memory, and storage, and you're ready to go. What's even better is that you only pay for what you use. This makes IaaS super flexible for growing businesses that need scalable resources. Now, the key takeaway is this. With IaaS, you manage everything on the virtual machine, from the operating system to the applications. You're in control, but the hardware is provided and managed by the cloud provider. Next up is Platform as a Service, or PaaS. Now, what if you don't want to deal with managing the operating system or the infrastructure, and you just want to focus on building your application? That's where PaaS comes in. It provides a fully managed platform where you can develop, test, and deploy your applications without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. For example, AWS offers Elastic Beanstalk, where you can deploy applications in languages like Python, Java, and Node.js. The beauty of PaaS is that the cloud provider takes care of everything below your application. That includes the operating system, middleware, and even security patches. So, in a PaaS environment, you focus purely on writing code and building features for your users. This is great for developers who want to focus on their applications and leave the management of infrastructure to the experts. The key difference between IaaS and PaaS is how much control you have. With the IaaS, you're managing almost everything, while with PaaS, the platform provider manages most things, giving you the freedom to jump most. Finally, we have Software as a Service, or SaaS. You're probably already using SaaS every day without realizing it. SaaS is when you use software applications that are hosted and managed by the provider, and you access them through the internet. You don't worry about the infrastructure or the platform, it's all handled for you. Take Gmail, for instance. You just log in, send emails, and that's it. You don't think about where the servers are or how they're being maintained. SaaS is convenient because it's ready to use right away, and you typically pay a subscription fee. SaaS is ideal for businesses or individuals who want quick, easy-to-use solutions without the hassle of managing anything on their own. Other popular examples include Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, and Salesforce. So, the key takeaway here is that with SaaS, everything is managed for you. You're just a user of the application with no control over the underlying infrastructure or platform. Now that we've broken down the three main cloud service models, let's talk about when you might want to use each one. If you need flexibility and control over your environment, IaaS is your go-to option. You'll be in charge of managing everything, which is great for companies that have specific customization needs. If you're a developer looking to focus solely on application development, then PaaS is perfect. It lets you skip the heavy lifting of infrastructure management. And for those who just need an easy-to-use, ready-made solution, SaaS is the answer. It's especially useful for businesses looking for convenience and simplicity. So let's recap. IaaS gives you the raw infrastructure and leaves the rest to you. PaaS provides a ready-to-use platform perfect for developers. SaaS offers fully managed applications that you can use right away. Each of these cloud models offers something unique, and the right one depends on your needs. Whether you're a startup, a developer, or an enterprise, the cloud has something for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to TechnoSavvy, and share this video with anyone interested in cloud services. Also, let me know in the comments what topics you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.